So Nadula hair just saved me from getting a sew-in with this pre-layered, pre-styled V-part unit. Yes, this one you'll want to see. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this pre-curled V-part unit from Nadula hair. So first I want to just show you how I prep my hair. So I actually washed and blow dried it last night to kind of prep it. So I do apologize that I did not record that, but let me take off this wig cap so I can show you. So I know about how much leave out that I need. So I went ahead and sectioned out my leave out, which is in the shape of a V. And it's a very small amount of leave out. You can actually leave out less than this if you like. And then the rest of my hair is just braided down. I put 3 braids on this side and then 3 braids on this side and just rubber band them in the back. And I don't even know what it looks like back there, but that's not my business. That is not my business. So what I'm gonna do is put on this wig cap just on the back of my hair. And then let's go ahead and open up this unit and look at everything that came in the box. So again, this is the unit from Nadula hair. And we have the unit here in this bag. I'll show you this in just a moment. Also in the box, we have a elastic band with the Velcro on the back that says Nadula. We have a pink edge brush, and we have a pack of HD wig caps. All right, so I'm gonna take this unit out of the bag and then also supply you with all of the specs of this unit. So this is Nadula's ScalpLook V-part Yaki straight pre-curled unit. It is human hair, and this one is 24 inches, I believe. I see that this is pre-cut into layers. Love that, we love that. So for the 150%, okay, so this is 150% Yaki Wavy. Okay, so it's only 150% density. 150% density, 24 inches. We are looking at $202.02 for a unit that comes pre-curled and pre-layered. So let's get into it. First, I need to cut off this little piece of fabric right here in the front, and then we'll take a look at the construction of this unit. All right, so I went ahead and cut off that little piece of fabric. So let's take a look at the construction. So we have combs here in the front instead of those comb clips. And the comb clips are located a little further back of the parting space. We also have 2 combs on the side. We have a elastic band in the inside of the unit, which I'm probably going to remove. I just don't like these in the middle of my V-part units. It just creates more bulk for me personally. But if you like that, if you like the extra security, go ahead and leave it on. Also, we have a comb right here in the back of the unit. We also have a drawstring, love that. And then silicone to adhere to our head. So that's why I'm taking out this elastic band, because we have a lot of extra security as is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. Now this unit is in a natural black color, and again, 150% density. And then with this drawstring, it does fit sizes up to, I believe they usually say 18 inches all the way up to 24 inches. So yes, so we are pre-layered here. So let's go ahead and install. So usually I start with front to back. So I'm gonna pop these open. And I'm going to start by installing these combs right around the parting space. So starting with this one, and then snapping close, and then this one, just this comb right next to it. So just placing that comb in, coming around to the other side, doing the same thing. So combing in, snapping shut, and then applying this comb here. Okay, and as you see, all of my hair is braided down, so I did not leave out like any hairline hairs, just, you know, what I cannot braid into my braids. So turning around, I'm going to bring the unit down, install this back comb in the back of my hair. And yes, I did forget the front comb, so let me turn around and install these front combs as well. And this unit does have traditional ear tabs. We do not have the C-shaped ear tabs, so just want to make you aware of that. I wish it did, but we do not. Okay. All right, so we got the front installed. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn around. We're going to pull on this drawstring and lock it into place with this little knob. Now with the end, just tucking it under the unit on that side. So it's gone. Okay. All right, so with these ear tabs, they are, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. All right, love that it comes already styled. We do not even have to worry about that. That is lovely. So I'm gonna take a rake comb with the wide side and just comb through it. And I believe, again, this is 24 inches. I'm gonna have to fix that, but that's just from travel. In the box. Okay, so here it is. And I'm probably gonna change my shirt just so that you can see what this unit actually looks like. I feel like this outfit is it's blending in too much. So let me do that and then we'll work on this and this. All right, so this is better. So now you can see the actual hair. So here it is. Comes down to actually my waist, the longest length, but I think I am going to cut it just a little bit to kind of thicken it up because this is the hair all pulled to the front. That is it. That is it. So let me actually do that now. All right. Let me separate my hair in the back into left side and right side. Just want to make it a little thicker down here at the bottom. So I'm going to take about this much off and just cutting across. Made it a little thicker. Same thing on the other side. So, okay. So that was about 2 or 3 inches I cut off, but I feel like it was needed. It was needed. So first I just want to make sure that I cover the back part. So I'm just gonna bring back a piece of hair, and then this is my Bio-Ionic flat iron. I'm just going to straighten it. Okay. You want to make sure that you cover the back of the unit. So with the rest, I'm going to part right down the middle. That looks about right. Okay. And I feel like the first layer on this unit is perfect for like my leave out. Y'all see how my hair is breaking off? Ugh. All right, same on the other side. It was from those braids, I know it was. So look how flat at the top. That looks lovely. Okay. So as you can see, my leave out is like the same length as this first layer. And I'm just going to flat iron it back. Perfect. Do the same thing on the other side to blend my leave out. All right, so I am gonna put some more curls throughout this unit as well. It does come pre-layered and pre-curled. However, I just want a little bit more curls in this unit. So let me go ahead and warm up my curling iron and then we'll curl this up together. All right, so I curled this side off camera. So let's go ahead and curl this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start at the back, and I'm using my Conair curling iron, and it's located down in the description box, but just curling away from my face towards the back. All right, so we are done curling, and this is what it looks like. I'm super duper impressed. I am very, very, very impressed because it's like I just got a sew-in, and I have been wanting a sew-in. Like, I think I wanted to get one at the end of this month. However, like, this just threw everything out the window. Why pay for that when you can just get a wig and put it on? Like, this is the exact texture that I wanted, the length that I wanted. So yeah, this is it. I love this. I love this. So let me give you all a close-up. So of course that's the parting space, and it's my own hair. And so here is just my edges that are left out. And no, I'm not going to swoop them. I'm just going to leave them as is because this is a Yaki straight texture, and we still have that texture in it. So I just want to leave it as natural looking as possible. So let me go ahead and just move the leave out so I can show you the wig, the leave outs, the wig, the leave out. Okay, so this is so pretty, very, very pretty. So I'm going to turn it around so I can show you all angles. So of course this is the front, and then we have the side. Here is the back. Side again, and front. So I will say that with a Yaki straight unit, you're looking at lower luster than like a silky straight unit, which I love because it just mimics black hair so well. It's like a relaxed hair or like silk pressed hair. And yes, very, very pretty. Love that this unit already comes layered and styled. Now I did have to throw in some of my curls myself, but that's just my personal preference. That is totally optional. You do not have to do that. But I just wanted to put some final touches on it. But yes, the fact that this comes pre-layered and pre-curled just saves so much time, so much time. So yes, this is the final look. Only a few strands of shedding, nothing major. Here is a length check again. This is a very, very pretty unit. Very pretty. So it is natural black. My leave out is jet black, but it blends right in. It blends right in. This is very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. So again, this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. I'm gonna put a link to their website down in the description box. I'm gonna put a link to this pre-cut, pre-styled V-part unit, Yaki straight, down in the description box as well. Like, comment, subscribe, and send a friend. Send this to a friend, and I'll see you on the next video.